tell you about example of bidding a project. Before I tell you about the discussion, let me introduce myself. My name is Anagung Bagus Surya Prasetya. You can call me Surya. I studied in civil engineering at Bali State Polytechnic, Bali. Okay, now we go to the topic. What is bidding? Bidding or negotiation is a meeting of a series of a meeting in which the parties need each other agreement to reach a specific objective which is to their mutual advantage. Okay, that is the definition of bidding. So now we go to the example of bidding project. Okay, now we go to the example. First, let me use my sunglasses. Okay, this project is wall construction in elementary school number 1 in Kedonganan at Kedonganan Village, Kuta Badung, Bali. Next, we go to the flowchart of the development budget plan. First, we know about its drawing plan. After we know the drawing plan of the project, we can identification of the building part, and then we can identification of item of building work. In the identification of item building work consists of first is a determining unit and calculating volume of building job item. Number 2 is weight unit price analyze, material, equipment of item work building. Determining unit and calculating volume of building job item and weight unit price analyze, material, equipment of item work building can get this one is used to get a total price each item of work can be obtained from the multiplication of work volume and unit price analyzed. After we know about the total price each item of work, we go to total price of work or real cost is obtained sums of each work item. After that, we added 10% tax to become a cost budget plan. Let's go to the technical offer. In technical offer, we have the special execution method. First, the special execution method is preparation work, or consists of measurement work and boblet. After that, we have a soil and foundation work, or consists of continuous excavation work, return fill continuous foundation soil, sand fill under contention foundation, empty stone, installation work, work of foundation per stone 1 PC 5 cents. For soil and foundation work, we go to the iron work and the casting work. Iron work consists of iron slab 15 times 20 cm square work and iron ring 15 times 20 cm square work. And the backcasting work, it consists of backcasting slab 15 times 20 work and backcasting ring 15 times 20 cm square work. After we go to the iron work and backcasting work, we go to the concrete work. In the concrete work consists of slab concrete 15 times 20 cm square and ring concrete 15 times 20 cm square. After the concrete work, we go to the installation and restoration work. Consists of installation bataku work 1 PC 5 cent and restoration work 1 PC 5 cent and achian work. We use in here we use bataku. If you use another material, you can get another method and another price. Then the last work is a style Bali work. Consists of installation, batu tulang agung work, and paduraksan installation work. After that, we go to the structure work. In the structure work, consists of iron work and backcasting work. After the iron work and backcasting work, we go to the casting work. In here, we use concrete with quality K175 with the manual casting method with Arco and a large container for stirring the concrete mixer. Let's go to the project duration. Project duration are depending on job 1, job volume. Number 2 is researchers productivity. Number 3 is weather. Now we go to the bidding. According to Insinyur A. Sudrajat Sastratmaja, 1985, in his book, Analysis of the Implementation Budget, that the budget plan is divided into two, namely a detailed budget plan and a route budget plan. Sugeng Jaju Wirono, budget plan is the estimate cost needed for each job in a construction project so that the total cost needed to complete a project will be obtained. For the price list have a weight, a material price, and tool price. Weight is the work weight unit. Price is number of piece paid to one work team to complete a work unit. I display an example about a weight. After weight is a material. Material used in carrying out this work are in accordance with the plan technical requirements. I will display the material price in Bahasa. Price analysis consists of job unit price analysis and lump sum price analysis. In here, we use job unit price analysis. Job unit price analysis unit price analysis is a standard guideline for calculating the unit price standard for a construction work consisting of components. Number 1 is coefficient of material requirements. Number 2 is the coefficient of labor weight needs. How to find a coefficient list of the price of the cost budget plan? Number 1 is see the BOW analyze book, seeing the Indonesian National Standard SNE, see company standard, direct observation and research in the field, see standard unit price. After all, we get a recapitulation of cost budget. I will debate the recapitulation of cost budget in this project. Okay, the last is the conclusion. All the work we do is must according with the drawing, technical specification, LKS, and implementation method that in contact document. Okay, that is the example about the bidding a project. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.